Hi TeamFullest.
This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up My Canal. So today I'm going to do a birthday get ready with me. Thank you guys so much for the beautiful birthday wishes. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys a lot. So today I'm going to do a get ready with me. As you guys can see, I was playing music in the background just to feel in the vibes, and I totally applied my liquid illuminator first before ever I applied the primer, but it all worked out good. I was really excited. So I used the NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator in pure gold, and I used the NYX Angel primer. I'm going for something very simple. As you guys can see, I have these beautiful braids on my hair, which I'm really loving, and something very simple on the eyes. I want the skin to be very flawless and just beautiful. As you guys know, when it comes to makeup, when you want to have a flawless skin, it all starts with your skincare routine. And let's just say that my skincare routine is very simple, but it's also very affordable, and I love it. So I picked up this Milani foundation, which I have been really loving. It really matches my skin. If you guys are still interested, they still have sales on this foundation on the Boozy shop, so check it out. I really love it. So I'm just going in with this foundation over my face. Just make sure I blend it very flawless, just very nice. I don't want too much. A little bit go a long way. I'm just going to add few more, just not even a pump, but just a half a pump around my mouth area, because that area is a little bit darker, and I'm just going to blend. And later I'm just going in with sponge to kind of blend the edges, like for example my hairline underneath my jaw, just to blend everything. I really want a flawless makeup. I really want a flawless makeup because it's just something very simple. So now that we've done that, we're going to take the concealer. I'm going to use this Milani concealer. My concealer is not that super light compared to what others will use, but I do what works for me. So I will appreciate it if you guys can also just do your makeup the way you think it works for you. I go in later with a lighter powder, so that's the reason why I like to use darker concealer, because I really like to have that natural on the eye look. I don't like that really bright on the eye with concealer. I love that natural look. So I'm just gonna blend the concealer, blend it very smoothly, so you guys can see. Just make sure I blend it very flawless. I like to bring the concealer a little bit up around the eyebrow area, and then after blending the concealer, I'm going to take the Morphe setting powder. I really love this setting powder. It's really nice. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to use it to set underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the top of my lip, and my chin. Just had a lot, not a lot of powder, but quite enough, because I'm going to let the powder to bake whilst I do my eyes. I didn't at first, I didn't want it to do eyeshadow, but then I thought, you know what, I want something really nice, something fun. So I decided to go ahead and do an eyeshadow. But as you guys know, I have like a simple eyeshadow makeup look that I always do. I'm going to set the rest of my face so that the foundation doesn't move or look kind of breakout or something. Just gonna set that first, and then I'm going to do the rest. I'm going to do my eyes. So after setting that foundation, I'm going to take the NYX waterproof eyeshadow primer. I'm going to prime that on my eyes, use my Real Technique brush, and I'm just gonna blend that very smoothly. You guys, I always get asked what brushes do I use. I use the Real Technique brushes. Real Technique brushes, AliExpress brushes, that's what I use. Those are the brushes I use. I don't really have like a very expensive brushes. The Real Technique brushes, I always buy them when they are on sales. If you live in Holland, you can take the ATOS. The ATOS always have them, and they also have they always have some really nice discounts. So check the ATOS. And AliExpress brushes, you can find them on AliExpress. But just like if you live in Europe, now from the 1st of January and from the 1st of July, they have this new law in the EU. When you buy products out of Europe, you have to pay tax. So when you buy stuff from AliExpress now, when the product comes in Holland, you have to pay tax, extra tax. So I don't know how that is going to work for a lot of people, but I'm just saying it. So I'm just taking that orange shade, I'm just gonna blend it very smoothly, and then I'm just going in with that brown shade. As you guys see, I don't really like to use a lot of brushes when it comes to eyeshadows, because my eyeshadows are very simple and very beginner friendly, and I'm dancing to music in the background. That's the reason why I thought, you know what, let me just do voiceover for you guys, because I'm really feeling myself. I was just so happy. I got so much birthday wishes. I was just all over the place. I was just so happy, so excited. I was just very grateful to have the opportunity to see this day, to spend this day with my family, and just be grateful, you know, grateful for life, because there's so many people who didn't have the opportunity to celebrate their 29th birthday, or most of them, they're in critical condition right now. Some of them, they're in the hospital, they're facing a lot of things, and I'm very grateful to just being alive and be happy and be healthy, and just be alive and healthy and have my family around. I was very happy, so I was just listening to music and just having fun. So I'm gonna take that darker shade. You guys already know this palette, so I'm gonna blend that on the outer corner of my eyes, and later on I'm going to fix eyelashes. But the eyelashes I'm going to fix, they are very like, they looks like natural eyelashes, so you can barely tell that I have eyelashes on. But I'm gonna fix that one behind the camera, because you guys know your girl still struggles when it comes to fixing eyelashes. I'm getting better, but I can be better. I'm getting better, but I can be better. But I thought, let me just do it behind the camera for now, and when I get better, I'll come and show you guys how I do it. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow. Now I'm just going to wipe off this excess powder. What I like to do whenever I do my makeup, before ever I go in with a highlighter, I always first like to set my face with a setting spray. So you guys gonna see me do that in this video. I'm going to do my nose contour, and I'm going to do everything, contour my cheekbone, and then later on you guys are gonna see me no, I think I'm first gonna do my nose contour and then set my face, and then later on I'm going to do my bronzer. As you guys can see, I use the Morphe setting spray, the one I bought, the one in the black container. That's what I use, and I'm also going to use the Morphe bronzer. I always like to do that, because I feel like when I set my face and then go in with my bronzer and then with my highlighter and then set my face again, then my makeup just stay in place. I have like a oily combination skin, so now I use the Morphe setting powder. Later on I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution oil control setting spray, and that is just going to lock my makeup in place. And this foundation is so beautiful, guys. This foundation is really nice. It stayed the whole day. I don't need to touch up the foundation, maybe just around my nose area where I sweat, and I do sweat there. So when of course I'm sweaty, the foundation kind of break out, but that is like later in the day when I'm like done with everything and it's time for me to take my makeup off. So I don't have issue with that. But like, it's a very good foundation. I really love it. I'm even thinking of picking another one, but I do have a bunch of foundation, so I don't want to buy a lot of products. So now I'm going to be using the Morphe lip liner. This in chestnut, guys. I have been loving this lip liner, so I'm just gonna use this to line my lip, and then I'm going to use, I think, the Essence lip gloss on my lip. I'm gonna try my best to list all the product that I use in the description box. So this is something that I've said to myself. I said to myself, this new age, I have to hold myself accountable and responsible for things. So this new age, I'm going to start listing every single product I use in the description box, because sometimes you guys always ask me, what is the name of this? What is the name of this? So I thought, you know what? I'm going to be listing everything in the description box. So you guys, please, from now, no, from this video, because I do have other videos that I have made, but that I have uploaded, and I didn't list those product. But from this particular video, from this one, I'm gonna start listing everything. Okay, I'm gonna start listing everything. So from this particular video and then video coming, but the ones that I've already uploaded that I haven't public yet, I may not remember everything that I use, but from this one I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be doing it. So check the description box for every information. Thank you all so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it, and I want to say thank you. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box. All the information that you guys need is in the description box. Check me out on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok at AmifullestBeauty if you guys want to follow me on TikTok as well. And thank you guys so much. All my social media, the only thing I'm not active in is in Twitter, but I do have Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Snapchat. So, but I'm more active on Instagram, so check me out on Instagram. TeamFullest, thank you all so much for your love and support, and once again, thank you for all the beautiful birthday wishes. I really appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. So now I'm just gonna set the face, and then I'm going to just lay the baby hair. Yes, this is the finished result. So you guys see the false lashes look really natural. So this is the finished result. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. Vergeet niet te abonneren en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg, bye.